Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you're going to coordinate your drawings on AutoCAD. So I have this drawing which has intersection points of two grid lines E21 and E2A. So the coordinates of this intersection point we have here is northing and easting. Likewise, if you go to another corner, we have the intersection of E3G and E37. So these are the coordinates of that point. Likewise, we have one more furthermore down, the intersection of E19 and intersection of E1F. So let's go ahead and coordinate our drawings. I'm going to open up my AutoCAD DWG drawing first of all, and you can check what's the current position of this intersection, and we can clearly see that 530,876,938, the current listing position, and which we can see clearly it's knowing in its right position, both easting and northing wise. So let's go ahead and coordinate our drawing to its right position. To do that, I would select my objects in AutoCAD. I will go to the align command, and if you just follow the guide that AutoCAD prompts, should be very uh, methodical for you. So if I can see here, it says specify first source point. So the first source point would be our this intersection. We can use any of this intersection. So let's go ahead and use let's say this one. We'll use this one. That will be our first intersection, first source point. I'm sorry. And if you read the prompt, it will say specify first destination point. So our first destination point is what is the true position of this intersection, which would be the easting and northing that is displayed at the moment. So for that, I would just type in those coordinates accordingly. On easting 530.822.921, and I'll press tab to alternate in my northing position, and which would be 189.871. Oh, I'm sorry, 189.871.418. Once again, we make sure the easting and northing are correct. 530.822.921 and northing 189.871.418. Just make sure you type in the correct easting and northing position, and which would sometimes it can happen you type in the wrong coordinates and your drawing is suddenly comes out in different position. So just make sure they are the right coordinates. So once I put the easting and northing, I'll press enter. It will ask you the second source point. So second source point, we can use any of them. Let's use this one. All right, let's go ahead, that one. And again, it's the same process. Type in the easting to 530.759.723 and tab to switch to the northing uh, location, and 189.923.624. Check it once again, 530.759.723 and the northing 189.923.624. Now I press enter. Now we have entered two position. So AutoCAD should be able to align your drawings to its right position. But however, we can use the third point as well, this one, and we could follow the same process that we followed for the first two intersection. But I won't do that. So it is asking for you this third source point, which I won't do it. So I'll just press enter, and it is asking you, do you want to scale your objects in the AutoCAD to according to the points that you have entered. So you can say yes, go ahead. You can scale it according to the points you have entered. Go ahead. So now our drawing has moved to its position. So let's check the, because we use this intersection and this intersection. So let's check if this intersection is correct. It fell into the right position or not. So we'll check ID and let's see. So was this is the current position. Does it match? 530,836, 530,836,742. Okay, that's that's very good. And 189,917,305. So that's a 1 mil error there, which is very acceptable in setting out in the site. So that's how you align your objects in AutoCAD. So just to confirm, let's check if this intersection also matches. Just to be just to confirm it. Okay, we got 530,759,733, 189,923.64. And the final one, let's check this one. Okay, 530,822,921,189,871.418. Again, perfect. So that's how you align your objects in AutoCAD. And since this is the grid line of the whole site, I have a trick for you. You can use this grid line to uh, coordinate all of your GA, like your first floor, ground floor, second floor, all the way to align your layout, your building GA, which I would show you in next video. So once again, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. If you have any question, please post on the comment below, which I'll try to reply. And thank you for watching again.